So there are some causes of unemployment. Why unemployment creates? What are the reasons of unemployment? Okay. So now we will discuss about 5 points to answer these questions. We will discuss 5 points here. Okay. So 5 points of the causes of unemployment. So number 1 point is slow rate of economic slow rate of economic growth. Okay, so we have seen it that our country's economic growth is slow. Why? Because basically our country is underdeveloped country. Okay, basically our country is underdeveloped country, so we see that our country uh, could not achieve its target. What the growth is targeted in our 5-year plan in the previous 5 decades. Okay, in the previous 5 decades we have seen that our planners target our planners targeted uh, the growth or planners targeted the growth, but we cannot achieve that target of growth. Okay, causes due to some causes we cannot achieve that target of growth. Okay, and basically we know that our country is underdeveloped country. Basically our country is a underdeveloped country, and that is why our growth is very poor. Our growth is very poor. Growth is very poor. Growth here the growth means the productions, the increase of productions. Here the growth means increase of productions. Okay, so basically we see the growth in our country is very poor. Okay, due to there are so many reasons that the growth of production is very poor, and what our planners targeted in 5-year plans we cannot achieve in the last 5 decades. Okay, uh, employment opportunities created under the plans could not keep pace with the additional to the labor force. That means here the one thing is clear that our labor force increases. That means the rate of growth of labor force increases, but production our growth of production is not increases with the pace of labor force increases. With the pace of labor force increases, that means the rate of growth of employment is comparatively higher than the rate of growth of productions, and that is why we see there is a backlog in unemployment. That is why there creates a backlog in unemployment. There are some persons, they cannot get the opportunities in job or in work. Okay, so this is the reason of slow rate of economic growth. Second point is population explosions. Population, it is a again it is another reason of causes of unemployment. The rapid rate of population growth has been another cause of increasing unemployment in the country. So there is a big reason that our country, we see there is a population explosion. Why it's called population explosion? Because we cannot uh, uh, cannot uh, s- uh, cannot give them proper services to the maximum number of peoples. Okay, the growth of population is double than the growth of productions in our country. Okay, an estimate is given here that 2.5% annual rate of population growth in India, nearby 4 million persons are added to the labor force every year. So what is the problem? What is the problems here is that every year we see that 2.5% of labor force added. 2.5% of annual population growth we see in India. 2.5% of population growth, annual population growth we see in India. Okay, and 4 million labors or 4 million labor force every year join or added to our labor force. Okay, So our country, our government cannot create this amount of job opportunities, and that is why there creates unemployment, and that is why there creates a big unemployment in our country. And say that it has not been possible to generate so many unemployment opportunities to absorb this large growing labor force. So it is not possible to create 4 million or more than 4 million job opportunities for a particular government. Okay, and that is why all the persons cannot get this opportunity or absorb these opportunities in the labor force. Okay, so population explosion is another reason for the causes of unemployment. Number 3 is underdeveloped agriculture. Underdeveloped agriculture. So basically we know that our country is a underdeveloped countries, and we see that there is a heavy pressure of population in agriculture. And we also see that there is a primitive method means obsolete technologies. Okay, previous also obsolete technologies still now used in our agricultural process. Okay, still there are so many areas we see that they cannot commercialize the agriculture. Okay, but it is already happened in Europe or foreign countries. So still it is a cause of unemployment. It is a cause of unemployment. Why? There is a underdeveloped in agriculture. Underdeveloped in agriculture means there is a huge amount of people still now depend on agriculture. There are 75 people, there are more than 70% people still now depend on agriculture, and they use the primitive methods, that means obsolete technologies. Okay, obsolete technologies they use in agricultural operations. And that is why basically in rural areas we see that they cannot produce a huge amount of agricultural productions. They cannot use huge amount of agricultural productions, but day by day we see that the number of populations is depend on agriculture, and it creates a big amount of disguised unemployment. And it creates a big amount of disguised unemployment in agriculture. Okay, and that is why it is a reason of causes of unemployment. Okay, next video we will discuss about the last two topics, last 2 points of causes of unemployment. Thank you.